In this video, I'm going to discuss the new chapter switchgear and protection from power system. The switchgear and protection is also very important topic for ECET examination. In switchgear and protection, we had expert of questions around 5 to 6 marks every year ECET examination. Okay. So first of all, let me discuss what is the content in this switchgear and protection. Let me discuss. The first one is the basic concepts of power protection. Basic concepts of protection. And next one is topic is circuit breakers. This is the second topic, circuit breakers. And third one topic is, it's one of the very important for the competitive examination, that is a relays. Okay. And fourth one is protection of transformer. And next one is protection of transmission line, how to protect the transmission line from the faults. Okay, that is our next topic, transmission line. And next one, protection of generators like AC generators. And last one, protection of bus bars. And one more is feeders. This is our topic in switchgear and protection. So from this topic, we had expert of examination. Total marks is around 5 marks is minimum, sometimes 6. Okay, this is we had expecting. Generally, entire the power system, the total marks or weightage of marks in around 20 to 25 marks, minimum 20. In the span of 20 marks, 10 marks for generation, and remaining 10 marks, generation 5 marks, transmission and distribution line is 10 marks, and switchgear and protection is 5 marks. This is a weightage of marks from power system. Okay, so the basic concept of protection is to expert of 1 mark guarantee. Circuit breaker with expert of around 2 marks. Relay around 2 marks. Okay, the relay protection of different equipments. This is all the lessons in the part of relays, no doubt. Okay, so that is the reason from relay to protection of bus bar, all topic mixing together with expert of around question is 3 to around 4 marks. This is a weightage of marks from switchgear and protection. So in this video, I'm going to discuss what is the first topic, basic concepts of protection. What is the mean by switchgear? What is the importance of switchgear? What do you mean by protection? So switchgear is a term to discuss about switching, controlling and protecting. That is mean by the switchgear. Okay. For suppose student, what I'm saying that, okay, what is the mean by power system? The system which can be discussed about generation, transmission and distribution is called as power system. Already we know that. Okay. So here, this is our transmission line. Let's just assumption. And this is the load. Load nothing but is a distribution line. Okay. Generation and transmission lines and distribution lines. Okay. The system which can be discussed about generation, transmission and distribution line. But it's very complicated network, and we are designing of enter the power system, the lack of crores to invest in a power system. But sometimes what happened, there was any one fault, either internal fault or external fault occur in a system, the total system is collapse. That is a big problem here. The fault means what? What does it mean by fault? Fault means what? Unwanted of currents or unwanted of voltage. Unwanted means the excess of currents are entering in a system, or over voltage entering in a system. Let the under voltage, under current to maintain the system. For any kind of cases, okay, that suddenly unwanted of currents or voltage are entering in a system, the system totally is collapse. The lack of crores of investment is waste. That is a problem here. So in this enter the power system, we are using so many costly equipments. For suppose in a generator, in a generator station, we are using one costly equipment, that is a alternator, 3-phase alternator. The cost of alternator is too much high. And enter the transmission line, we are using of transformers to step up the voltage or step down the voltages. That is one of the costly equipments. Bus bars and transmission line, bus bars and feeders. These all are very costly equipments. These all costly equipments is protection is very important from the fault. Okay, so every costly equipment must be protected from the costly equipments. Must be protected from the faults. Yes or no? Okay, so ఒకవేళ మనం ఈ కాస్ట్లీ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ని ఫాల్ట్ నుంచి కాపాడకపోతే కంపల్సరీగా ఈ కాస్ట్లీ ఎక్విప్మెంట్స్ అనేది ఫెయిల్ అయిపోతాయి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్రొటెక్షన్ మీన్స్ టు protect the major equipments from the faults. Okay, so protection means what? What is meant by switchgear? Switchgear, I already told that switchgear is not a device. It's just for one term. That is oka padam anamata. The switchgear we can discuss about. What is a switchgear? The switchgear is a term to discuss about switching. Switching means on and off. If suddenly fault is occurring in system, circuit is open, that is on and off. The fault is eliminated, switch is closed, that is off. On and off, that is switching. And controlling means to control the fault currents. And protecting of major equipments from the fault. అంటే ఒక స్విచ్ గేర్ అనే టర్మ్ అనేది ఈ 3 పాయింట్స్ గురించి మనం డిస్కస్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, వాట్ ఇస్ ద స్విచ్ గేర్? స్విచ్ గేర్ మీన్స్ ద స్విచ్ గేర్ ఈజ్ ఎ టర్మ్. The switch gear is a term to discuss about switching, and second one controlling and protecting. Protecting is called as switch gear. You understand my point? Okay, switch gear is just like as terms. The term to discuss about switching, controlling and protecting is called as switch gear. Okay, but we are using so many protective devices enter the power system. Like, what is the protective device we are using enter the power system? Like circuit breakers, relays, isolators, that is AB switches, air brake switches, fuses, lightning arresters, and earth wire or ground wire. These all equipments are protective equipments. What is the main importance of protection? The main importance of protective device is to eliminate the fault as fast as possible and to reduce the damage of the system. Okay, ప్రతి ప్రొటెక్టివ్ డివైస్ యొక్క మెయిన్ ఎయిమ్ ఏంటంటే ఎంత పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటే అంత పాసిబిలిటీలో అంటే ఎంత టైంలో అయితే తక్కువ టైంలో ఫాల్ట్ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేసి మేజర్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్స్కి అయ్యే డ్యామేజ్ని తగ్గించాలి. దట్ ఈస్ main aim of the protective devices. Are you clear my point? That is the main aim. But the cost of protective device, how much cost to buy the protective devices means the cost of protective device is only 5% of entire the cost of the power system. అంటే ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఈ పవర్ సిస్టాన్ని మొత్తం డిజైన్ చేయడానికి మనకి ఒక 10 రూపీస్ పడితే దాంట్లో ఓన్లీ 5% మాత్రమే, అంటే ఒక 50 పైస్ మాత్రమే ఈ 50 పైస్ కాస్ట్ తీసుకొని అన్ని ప్రొటెక్టివ్ డివైసెస్ని మనం పర్చేస్ చేయొచ్చు. కానీ ప్రొటెక్టివ్ డివైసెస్ వర్క్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ వర్క్. ఓకే, what is the different types of protective devices? I already told that, like a relay, circuit breaker, and one more is a isolator, AB switches. Okay, so next video we are going to next video. What is the importance of isolator? What is the function of isolator? And which cases we are using of isolator? Similar that AB switches. All kind of protective devices we are discuss one by one and next video students. Okay.